Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on that device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you wanna add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon and scroll here down. If you wanna add some of these icons to your notification panel, you should just hold it and after that just drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we just can remove some icons from here, or just to change their positions, we should by the same way just hold and then drag this icon. So as you can see, that's so simple. Just to save the changes, we should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.